How to fix the WhatsApp download problem on your computer. So if you're trying to download files from WhatsApp to your PC and it's not working, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing you'll need to do is go and open up your start menu. You can then search for Task Manager and click on this window here. Now click on the search box at the top of the page and then go and search for WhatsApp. Now if you see WhatsApp from the list, go and right click on it and then just select End Task. You can then go and close out of this window and we're going to open up the start menu, search for WhatsApp and then right click on the application, and if you have the option for app settings, go and click on this. You can then scroll down to where it says reset and click on repair, wait a couple of seconds and then press the reset button and go and select reset. Once you've done this, you can try opening up the WhatsApp app. You may need to sign back into your account and you can check to see if you can now download files. If it's still not working, open up the start menu again, type in wsreset.exe and then press enter on your keyboard. Now that should go and open up the Microsoft Store and then you can close out of this window and once again check to see if you can now download files on WhatsApp. If you've tried all of these steps and you're still having download issues, then open up your start menu once again, click on settings, and from the left hand side select apps. Now click on installed apps, and then use the search box to type in WhatsApp, and then you'll just need to go and uninstall the WhatsApp application. Once it's been completely uninstalled, close out of this window, open up the start menu on your computer, and then search for Microsoft Store and click on this window. Now click on the search box at the top of the page, type in the word WhatsApp, and then you'll need to download and install WhatsApp directly from this page here. Once it's finished installing, you can sign into your account, and you should now be able to download files on WhatsApp on your computer.